Hello students, welcome you all once again. In this class, let us learn calculation of CFSE of a tetrahedral complex NiNH3 plus 2. What is it students? The complex taken here NiNH3 4 times plus 2. Okay, nickel is the central metal atom and NH3 is the ligand. So nickel is surrounded by 4 ligands and hence it is a tetrahedral complex. To begin with, first let us write electronic configuration of nickel. Its atomic number, we all know that it is 28. Okay, so hence its electronic configuration in the outermost shell will be 4s2 3d8. Clear students? Electronic configuration of nickel in its outermost shell will be 4s2 3d8 as its atomic number is 28. Okay. So, in this particular complex where nickel is surrounded by 4 NH3 groups, how much will be its oxidation number? What will be its oxidation state, students? I am writing here, in this complex, nickel will be in +2 oxidation state. Why? Because NH3 is a neutral ligand. Ni is in +2 oxidation state. Okay. So hence electronic configuration of Ni +2 will be how much? See, when its atomic number is 28, its outermost shell configuration is 4s2 3d8. Okay, now it is in +2 oxidation state in the present complex. Okay, so electronic configuration of Ni +2, that means it lost its 2 electrons. It will be how much, students? 4s0 3d8. Okay, now let us see the distribution of electrons in Eg and T2g orbitals. This is a tetrahedral complex. How many electrons are there? Number of electrons in d orbital is 8. Okay, so one, two, three, 4. So here we will have T2g and here we have Eg orbitals. Okay, write down this as Eg and this as T2g. Okay, so how many electrons are there in d orbital, students? 8 na? Okay, this is a tetrahedral complex and ligand is NH3. NH3 is a weak ligand in case of tetrahedral complexes. So the distribution of electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this is the way the 8 electrons will be distributed in the Eg and T2g orbitals. Okay, so there is a formula for the calculation of CFSE. Write down, CFSE is equal to number of electrons in Eg multiplied by minus 0.6 delta T plus number of electrons in T2g multiplied by 0.4 delta T. Okay. So number of electrons in Eg orbitals. How many, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into minus 0.6 delta T plus number of electrons in T2G. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 0.4 delta T. So it will be equal to 4 into minus 0.6 minus 2.4 delta T plus 4 into 0.4 is 1.6 delta T. Okay. So minus 2.4 plus 1.6. It comes equal to minus 0.8 delta T. Okay. So this is the CFSE value of tetrahedral complex, that is NiNH3 4 plus 2. Okay. So how did I calculate, students? First, you should know the atomic number of the central metal and you should be able to write the electronic configuration in the outermost shell. Okay. Then calculate or determine its oxidation state. It means what? Central metals oxidation state. Okay. Then write down the electronic configuration after knowing the oxidation state. So in this particular complex, Ni is in +2 oxidation state. Hence its electronic configuration 4s0 3d8. Distribution of 8 electrons present in d orbital in Eg and T2g orbitals in presence of NH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, we all know the formula. CFSE is equal to number of electrons in Eg orbitals into minus 0.6 delta T plus number of electrons in T2G into 0.4 delta T, which becomes equal to 4 into minus 0.6 delta T plus 4 into 0.4 delta T. So this is equal to minus 2.4 delta T plus 1.6, which is finally the answer minus 0.8 delta T. Okay. So is it clear, students? Hope I have made it clear. So learn this calculation carefully. Thank you.